Hi, my name's Gino, and welcome to Cooking with Autism. I already started off with warming up the milk to 110 degrees roughly, and started putting in some
Yeast?
yeast.
And you did 2 1/4 teaspoon.
Two and 1/4 teaspoons of
Or one
yeast.
packet.
Or one packet.
Right. And what are we making today, Gino?
We're making Grandpa cinnamon rolls.
Yeah, my dad makes cinnamon rolls. I'm his mom in the background, and my dad makes cinnamon rolls every holiday. And he uses a Betty Crocker recipe, and that's what Gino is using today.
Okay.
So to get started, once you've added your yeast, you're going to stir in your sugar, which is 1/3 cup of sugar.
Which sugar? White
White.
sugar, brown sugar?
White sugar.
Okay. How much?
1/3 cup.
Pour it in.
Yep. You need 1/3 cup of butter, shortening, or margarine.
1/3 cup.
Yep. And it's softened, which we left this out all night.
4, 5 equals 1/3 cup. Right?
Let me see.
Wait, I don't need that kind of knife. I need a sharp knife.
Oh yeah. Yep. 5. Yes. 1/3 equals 5.
Oops, wrong spot. Wait, no, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Yeah, wrong
1,
spot.
2, 3, 4. Yep, that's right. You're right, Gino.
And I'll put it in.
Yep, put it in.
And since, where's the butter thing? I'll put it right there for now. We'll use that
Okay.
later.
And then you need 1 teaspoon of salt. I took your salt out.
Salt. 1 teaspoon.
Yes. One egg at room temperature. I would break it into another thing to make sure you don't get any shells in there.
Okay. That was a hard break.
He's washing his hands again. Just so people on the internet know, he does wash his hands quite frequently during cooking. Okay. Okay. After you add the egg in, after you get that, then you're going to start adding your flour. And you need 3 1/2 to 4 cups. Start out with 2 for now, and then start mixing it, and then you can add it as
2
it goes.
cups.
Start with 2 cups, yep. And then you can add a cup as it's mixing. Right here.
Oh shit.
Messes happen, don't they, Gino?
What?
Messes happen when you're cooking with flour.
Yep.
Okay. Alright, so now Gino's gonna put his stuff on there. Put this on there.
Yeah, we can't forget that.
So when you add the flour, it doesn't go everywhere. Remember how to do it?
Yeah, roughly.
This is his grandma's mixer that my dad bought my mom years ago. And Gino inherited it. It came with all these pieces too. Do you want help?
No,
Okay.
I'm just shaky.
It's one of Gino's prized possessions. He loves this thing.
I think it's on there.
Okay?
Not very well though.
Okay. That looks like it's good. And then go ahead and lift it up. And then you're going to mix it probably on, you're going to do stir for now.
Yeah, it's bothering me.
Okay, here, let me see it.
There we are.
You got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Go
And
ahead.
how?
Put it on stir for now. And then you're going to put it to medium. Go ahead and get your flour. And you're going to add 2.5 more cups as it's mixing.
1.
Or just 2 cups. I'm sorry, not a half. You don't need a half. That's just something else. Okay. So then you're going to put it on medium so that it can form into a dough. So I'm going to turn it up a little bit.